Hello, data enthusiasts and data lovers. So this is a dashboard which you are seeing. So this is a dashboard of raw material cost and sales and profit dashboard of one of my client I have prepared. So I have prepared by using their given data, and I prepared simple dashboard like this, and I put a one slicer to see the day-wise sales, day-wise profit, and day-wise consumption cost. And I put total month cost and sales in static shapes, and I prepared a column chart also to analyze which category has the more cost per day wise. So by using slicer we can see the results here. So this is the method I followed. So this is simple dashboard, but if you see the data it will some not uh, so this is the data here. It has a raw material category and day-wise consumption cost, um, says first November consumption cost, and after that second November consumption cost, after that third November consumption cost, fourth November consumption cost, fifth November consumption cost. They gave me consumption cost and average purchase price and consumption quantity also, but they asked me to prepare total raw material cost, total sales, and total profit. So I have followed uh, uh, my method to derive the key insights from data, and I followed transformer to derive such type of key insights. This type of data by using raw data we can't do that. So I went for some transformations. So I used for here for transformations Power Query Editor. So by using Power Query Editor, I did some transformations. After that, I derived these insights. So please comment below. So what are the methods you can follow to derive such type of insights? Why? Because I thought that by using Power Query Editor, it is good. See here. So this is the dashboard I prepared. Say trend line, sales trend line, and so this is the source data. See, this is sales data. This is source data. Okay. So first we have to go for transformations. To do transformations, first select the total table. If you have all the table, okay. If you don't have, select all the data and press Ctrl T. Then we can get a table. So here I already have my data in tabular format. So just give the name to the total data. Then insert pivot table. So this is large data. So I want to put my pivot table in new sheet. So give every sheet name before why? Because in while doing project, so we need to do with multiple sheets. So it's not possible to toggle with every sheet. So for that we have to give perfect name, then only we can recognize what is that data contains that sheet. So this is the pivot table I have inserted and give appropriate name for that. Now we have to draw uh, what are the fields we need to show. So I dragged here category column in my row shells, and after that I wanted to drag my total consumption cost day wise. See here I dragged first November 2023 consumption cost, and after that second November 2023 consumption cost, after that third November 2023 consumption cost, after that 4th November 2023 consumption cost, after that 5th November 2023 consumption cost, after that 6th November 2023 consumption cost, after that 7th November 2023 consumption cost. So up to 30. So we have to drag to see. So our main intention is to we have to prepare total sales and total cost and total profit. To do that, first we have to transform the data. In the process of transformation, first I wanted to put all the dates, day wise consumption cost. For that, here I got all the consumption cost. Hereafter I will go for transformation into the Power Query Editor. Okay. See, after dragging all the while dragging all the or fields into the respective shells, we have to cross check whether we dragging correct fields or not, like that. So drag the correct fields into the right shells. Therefore we will get right information of pivot table. So this is a method to how to insert pivot table and how to drag the desired fields into the our wish shells. So 29 November and 30 November 2023. See here I dragged all the consumption cost of all the days. So once we check all the fields we dragged into the value shells or not. So I am checking here. Okay, we've done. Okay, okay. So here automatically grand totals will come. So to do, if you don't want to do that, go to design and grand totals of for rows and columns, so automatically disappear. Then we will go for now transformation. Just save before going to that. Just we have to save. Then go to data tab and click on new query. Click on new query from file, Excel workbook. Select the perfect workbook, where go to the perfect file path and select Excel project Power BI. Okay, so here we have to select the correct sheet name. So this is the reason we have to give sheet name to every sheet. Otherwise we can't identify what is the exact sheet is there. So I have selected consumption cost pivot one. Yeah, this is a pivot table earlier what we did. Here my main goal is to bring those date values in as rows. As of now these are in columns. If we have every date as a column, we can't get the insights as day wise sales or day wise profit like this. So my intention is to bring the rows in columns into rows. For that we have to follow unpivot. I did here unpivot. So I got all dates in row wise. So see here attribute and row labels values. See it is attribute is it will automatically it will give name default by default. So here and another task we have to do, we have to split this column. Why? Because it has unwanted data like sum of consumption cost and all. I don't want that. For that I want to split. Go to split and delimiter. Here our delimiter is space. In some other data maybe we have slash hyphen everything. Here it is space. So I splitted the column. See here it splits sum of number consumption cost everything. So whatever the columns here, sum of column and consumption cost rupees column, we can delete. Why? Because we don't need this. So select and remove columns. Okay, and select consumption cost and rupee column, and we can remove columns. Okay, so this is the data. We have got our required data and give the appropriate name to the each column. Okay, here it is day and it is month and it is year. Okay, it is category and it is consumption cost per day. Yeah, we got our desired data. So now we can go to file or home, close and load. Then we will therefore we will get the transform data into our workbook. Yeah, here we got our transformed data. This is the data, consumption cost data. We have transformed data and give the name to the sheet also. While doing connections, while doing data connections and all, this data sheet names will be useful. Otherwise we will get confused. Okay, so give perfect name and appropriate name. Here I am giving consumption cost transformed. Oh, it's already taken. So we will consumption cost transform. Okay. I gave consumption cost trans. Okay, this is my transform data of consumption cost per day. Okay. Now for this also I want to insert pivot table to see day wise transform calculation. Here we got for all the days for all the categories. But I want to see for total category wise day wise sales. day wise consumption cost. That is my goal here. See here in this pivot table, yeah, consumption cost total. Yeah, here my intention is to bring the category into row shells and consumption cost. So this is my goal here. Say category wise consumption cost. This is for all November month. See here, AC restaurants 6,877, bakery and juice 611, and billing roll 506, and coconut, and delivery charges, dry fruit, grocery, housekeeping. For all the categories, we have got what is the consumption cost. That means raw material cost. So this is my sales data here. I have my sales data also. For sales data also, I want to bring like what earlier we did for consumption cost. Here we have date column. In date column we can split like date, month and year. We can split by multiple methods using text to columns, text to text to columns also we can use multiple words. See here we delimiter we can use here, it is a slash, but I don't want to do here. Why? Because it want to appear in my power pivot also to give data connection. So that's why I want to go for power core editor to do transformations or to bring like a date, year and month column separately. So just select the table. If you have table, okay, otherwise select the data and press Ctrl T, then it will come in tabular format. Okay, here I give, but it doesn't have name, so insert new row. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. So just insert new row. Yeah, give name, date and sales per day. Sales per day. Yeah, now select total data and press Ctrl T. Now it will convert into table. And now this table, select the total data and go to insert. Select the total data, go to insert. Yeah, before that we will go to transformation, right? Okay, transformations. Okay, select the right workbook, data, excel per project. So we have what the data our required data, but we have to just transform like simple transformation like date, year and month. Yeah, edit. Okay, here we have got, yeah, date column and sales per day column. Yeah, just give exact name or appropriate name, sales per day. Yeah, here our task is to split this column. Yeah, just here it is not there. Split by delimiter. So here our delimiter is slash. Yeah, it is splitted. This is month and this is day, this is year. Okay, this is our required table format. Here we got by using power query editor. Go to home and close and load. Then our transformed sales data also load to our workbook. Give sheet name to the sheet also. Okay, sales data final. Okay, yeah, for this also I want to insert pivot table to see total sales per month and total sales per day. So by using slicer, day slicer, we can see the total day sales and day wise sales. Yeah, this is very uh, we have due to less data we can insert pivot table in same existing sheet. Okay, select the day table and click on existing worksheet. Yeah, select one cell, then click OK. Yeah, our pivot table will be inserted here. See, now drag the total sales per day into the values. Per day we can give slicer separately, As of now, we can drag the sales per day field into the values. So now it will show total sales per month. Okay, um, this is the value it's showing entire month. So now I inserted slicer for day. Yeah, we can convert it into multiple columns. The calendar like looks like calendar. So yeah, this is the slicer. We can format slicer also or according to our wish. Yeah, I formatted the slicer. Yeah, according to the whatever the day we have click on, it will show the day wise sales. So slicer will act as a, yeah, here we can give the connections to the slicer and consumption cost and our sales data. So here we have to select uh, correct table to give perfect connections. Otherwise, our slicer won't work perfectly. So before giving connections, we have to check whether are we selecting correct table or not. So see here day, consumption cost day. Yeah, it is many to one relationship. One means it has unique data, many means it has duplicate data. See here in sale, yeah, consumption cost total sales data. Hmm, yeah, here we have day in duplicates for each category. AC restaurants for first day and background juice for first day, and each category first day and second day, third day. It is duplicates, but in sales data it is unique. Up to 1 to 30 per day wise sales rate up to 1 to 30, it's shown only up to first day to 30th date sales per day. So this is the unique single one. This is many. So that is a many to one relationship. So here, yeah. Now I want to hide some sheets because if we have multiple sheets, we can't toggle through all the sheets because even if you are toggling through all the sheets, we may get confused. That is the reason I am hiding some sheets as of now. The sheets which I don't want to work on, so I am hiding those sheets. Okay. See, now my slicer is working for sales data. Okay. Now I want to check for consumption cost total also whether my slicer is working correctly or not. Okay. Now we will go for dashboard. Okay. Here our dashboard contains our KPIs. KPIs means what the clients asked. Okay. Clients ask total sales per month, total raw material cost per month, total profit per month, and day wise sales and day wise raw material cost, day wise profit, and uh, day wise consumption cost, category wise, and sales trend line, everything they ask. So for that, first we will draw wireframe diagram, or we can put directly also, but to do just simply understanding how our dashboard looks like, I want to draw simple wireframe before putting the main dashboard. See here in the selected area I want to put KPIs, and leftmost corner I want to put my slicer. Yeah, there I want to put my slicer. Here I want to keep my KPIs. Okay. For that, I want to show my KPIs on some shapes. Shapes means rectangular, fillet shapes, everything. Yeah. Before that, we will check once our data is correct or not. Okay. Now we will insert rectangular fillet shapes. Okay. So why I am inserting shapes here means So maybe we can put in some same cells also. If you put cell in one cell, maybe we have to highlight that cell to show clearly visible to the client. So if you highlight one cell, the corresponding cells corresponding to the same column cells also will get high width. Even if I don't want that cells below that highlighted cells also, I don't want to high width, the same cells also, the corresponding cells also will highlight. So I don't want to do that. That is the reason I wanted to show my KPIs on this like these shapes. Then it will be clearly visible to the client and looks like somewhat very clean and somewhat mesmerizing visuals. See, these are the shapes I have inserted. So first, top top row I want to put total sales per month, total raw material cost per month, total profit per month. Okay. Now we have to give cell reference to the each shape. Okay. In this shape, I want to give total consumption cost per month. Yeah, this I want to give cell reference in that shape. Yeah, just go to the shape text equal to, select this, but it has a pivot table, right? So it has so much formula, so it's not taking. Maybe even if we give, it will take some errors, and so to avoid errors and all, I want to copy this grand total values in some another cell. Then I will give that cell reference to that my rectangular fillet shape. Yeah, take sum of all these things excluding grand total row, and here also we will take total sales. Here yes, we can copy and paste total sales also, and we can calculate the profit from this. Profit is to sales minus total cost, raw material cost divided by total raw material cost. So put profit in percentage and up to two decimals. Okay, so did this decimals thing and all according to the requirement, according to the client's behavior. Some clients need exact value, some clients need round figured value. Okay, give uh, name to that sales, what it is, total consumption cost, total sales, total profit. Okay, yes. Now we will give that cell reference to this shape. Yes, here it is. Yes, give this reference to that shape. Yes, we got that same value here, and put it in middle and below. The same here also, total sales reference, and put it in below and middle. Here also we will give total profit. Yes, yes, we got. And we will format this text according to our wish, or else clients, if client has given any format and all, we can do format according to that. Otherwise we can give our wish that is clearly visible to the client. Okay, I want to put this here in white text and bold and 16. Yeah, bold, same as in this shape also. But here I didn't get the shapes in exact same size, so this looking somewhat um, and similar. So I want to make these three shapes in equal size and in same format. So that is the reason I wanted to again format. Okay, see, I want to, yeah, I want to trying to this, but before that I want to copy one shape, then again paste, then we will get all three shapes in same size and the same format. So I wanted to do now. mm, okay, I copied and I will paste the same shape in there. Yeah, yes. And here we will give the total sales cell reference. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. We formatted. Now all three shapes are in same size and same format. Now again for same and total sales per day, total cost per day, also I copied that same cell to looks similar. Okay. So here we will get total consumption cost per day or raw material cost per day. So, but here my slicer is not working for total consumption cost. Before that, just put all three shapes in equal size. Then we will give cell reference. Yeah, this is in pivot table, right? So we can't give directly cell reference. So before what I did is I just copied that cell in some another cell. Therefore, we can give same cell reference to the our shape like visuals. Yes, I got here. And here I want to put consumption cost total. Before that, I want to check whether it is working slicer for that also or not. Yeah, for that give connections. Here report connections. Okay. Now check slicer is working for consumption cost or not. Well, no, it's not working. So somewhere we got give wrong connection or else. Yeah, this is the reason in while giving yeah, it's showing relationship between tables may be needed. That means I didn't give perfectly the relationship. So please forgive me. So here consumption cost total is our final table. So we have to give connection between consumption cost total and sales data final. So this is the right thing. Now I think our slicer will work. Mm, yeah, but this pivot table, right? Mm, delete this. It's not working. Just paste here link. Yeah, that link. Oh, it's not working. Why it is showing error? Again, we will do paste link. Okay. Why it's not showing? So sorry for the wrong sales data. And wait. I think slicer is not working perfectly. So now again go for report connections and give data pivot. Yes, I gave wrong connection. So select pivot table 2. So this is the reason I told you, but I didn't give perfect name. The others we have to remember names. So while giving tables, so we have to give perfect names. Okay. Now I think now my slides will work. Yes, pivot table 2 is the consumption cost total. Okay. Mm. Now yeah, pivot table 2. No, it's not required. Okay. Now slicer will work. There it is. Yeah, just auto detect. Yes, now it's establishing relationship. Okay. In so to do give perfect relationship, so we have to give, or else remember while giving connections report relationships, we should do carefully, otherwise slicer won't work. Yeah, now it's working. Slicer, so slicer is working clearly here. Yeah, give this cell reference. Okay, now we can calculate profit also, profit percentage. Yeah, I'm checking once again whether it is correct working or not. Yes, consumption cost it's working. Okay, slicer is working for consumption cost also. So to avoid these mistakes while giving relationships, we have to take care. Okay, but here it is also a response slicer, so I don't want to do that. I just copy paste the just values. Here I pasted link, so I want to just give values. Okay, here what we have to do. Yeah, I just pasted the value there. Consumption cost per day. Okay, here profit per day. Okay, we can calculate profit per day. Okay, okay, sales minus consumption cost divided by consumption cost. Okay, yeah, I think we got, put it in percentage up to two decimals. Okay, now we got our required key performance indicators. Now yeah, give the cell reference to the shape. Yeah, now all this output format as what earlier we did. Okay, in same text size and same text color, you have to format according to in same similar size and format. Okay, similar size and shape. Okay, similar text color. Okay, it's working clearly. Okay, we got exact requirement how our key performance indicating shapes is visible clearly. Now our shapes are not in proper aligned. See, bottom rows are not clear. We have to align that. So before that, we will give names to the each KPI. It is total consumption cost per month. Okay, or else we can say total cost per month. That is raw material cost to the company. This is total cost to the company per month. Total cost per month. Okay, format. Okay, just we want to mix that same other text shape and size also in the same green color of our rectangular fillet. Okay, yes, now it's mixed into the same color. Yeah, you can highlight the text if you want. Let's put it in bold. Okay, now just copy and paste the text shape into the other. Okay, just give name according to the value. Okay, yeah, total sales per day. Here, total profit per day. Total profit per day. Yes, we can group each. The text and this shape are not same, so we have to group. Otherwise, the text will go somewhere and our value shape will go somewhere. So to avoid that, so we'll group each and the text and value shape. So here also for all the shapes we will do that group. Yes, now it's both are combined. Group. Okay, now it's showing as a single entity. See here, it's showing as a single entity, but earlier it was text is some and shape also another. So now align, we have to horizontally distribute horizontally. We have to align perfectly to looks. See, now switch off the grid lines. We will, and all these three shapes also we can align by combining group. Okay, just we can remove those borders. Okay, borders. Here also we will remove that border. Okay. Earlier it was wireframe, right? So for reference we keep like that. Now we make these three uh, top three shapes as one group. If you make group, it is very easier to uh, format and to move somewhere if you don't have adequate space and all. It is very good habit to align everywhere and doing projects. Why? Because then it will show in some proper manner. Otherwise, if it didn't align properly, it will show some heights difference or else with different space width. It will some variable. So it's not good looking. So that is the reason we have to align each and every time. So now we will differentiate between these two KPIs by drawing simple horizontal line. Here I used thick black color line. We can choose our color whatever wish. Yeah, it's visible clearly. Yeah, now slicer is working correctly. So top line are not changing. Now we will go for another pivot table. No, sorry, another chart. We want to draw that total consumption cost per day. So yeah, this chart is indicates total consumption cost per day category wise. So here, give name total consumption cost per day category wise. Okay, just hide these buttons. Right click on that and hide. Okay, now we will switch on data labels and format the values. Switch on data labels, go to plus button and click on data labels. Okay, and now format those values to column symbol, number, general currency, and choose rupee. Okay, whatever it is, I selected randomly. Okay, just I want to show it is in thousands, so 0.00 comma and put k in double quotes. Now it will show in thousands. Copy and paste the chart here in visuals dashboard. Now we can format the chart. I want to format as our canvas background and text in white color and bars in green color as our how our key performance indicators are appearing. See, just I gave canvas background and I want to show the chart title in white color. Sorry, it's background. Sorry, it's here it is not. So before that we will give that column color, bar color. I want to display bars as our what key performance indicator shapes appearing. So just hide this total, and select the bar and go to, yes, give green color, and we will increase the width of the bar also. Yes, if we decrease the width between each bar, then automatically the width of the bar will increase. So according to a client requirement or according to our wish, we can format each and every chart. So here, yeah, I want to now axis text also I want to format. See here, yeah, it's sorry, it's not in that format. We will go for now home button and click those text color. Okay, yes, yes, now it is in white color. Yes, and title also. Yes, now I formatted according to our wish, and in bar color also I want to put as same green color as our key performance indicators appearing. Yes, select once again. Yes, now it will go fill, select the color. Yes, it's good looking. Now it's appearing our chart according to requirement, but we will sort the chart. What uh, Z to A, or else that means ascending. Ascending means I want to display the chart. How the more cost will be, if more cost will should upper, less cost should be appear on the below. So in that manner I want to sort. Yes, now yeah, it's automatically sorted here, but our data labels disappeared. Again give data labels and again we will do format. So due to that, after giving sorting all this, and then we will on the data labels. Okay, Select rupee, select any rupee. Not don't show, not showing. Yes, any rupee. It's Marathi, Telugu, and anything. Okay. Yeah, I formatted the values also. Grid lines. Okay. Okay. Half of our chart is completed. Dashboard is completed. Now slides is working for the total consumption cost per day category wise bar chart also it's working clearly. Yes, it's showing clearly now. Yes, this is the requirement. This is the behavior we need from the data. So this is the exact requirement we need. So we got our requirement now, and now we will go for sales trend line. We will draw. Yeah, sales trend line. We will insert another pivot table here. Okay, go to sales data final. Okay, insert pivot table, same sheet because we have less data, so we will okay just bring day in row shells and sales per day in value shells. So here we got row labels and report layout and shown tabular form. Okay, yes, just excluding grand total. Now go to insert. Okay, choose the chart according client requirement and give the name. This is the total sales per day. Give data labels. Yeah, what we did earlier, same we have to do here. Yeah, we have to format according to the requirement. Earlier we did for the same total consumption cost per day bar chart. Same thing we are doing here now. Okay. Yes, select clustered column. Okay. Switch on data labels, trend line. Okay. Yeah, now it should just give the name. This is total sales per day. Okay, hide the sum of sales per day button and day button. Okay. Now axis values are in some, we will show it is in millions now. um, as we did earlier. Select rupee. um, Format 0.00. For thousands just we can give single comma, but for millions we have to give two commas. Yes, add. Yeah, now it's showing in millions. For value data labels also we will do like that. Okay, select currency, select rupee here. Okay, okay, select any one rupee. Okay, here we are Format code is 0.00 double comma and millions. Okay, now it's showing in millions. Yes, our chart is ready. Copy and paste in the dashboard sheet. Yes. Okay, to make visible values visible clearly, we will stretch the chart. Okay, drag some bottom to the values. Okay, yeah, our chart is ready. But here those this is sales trend line. See, I want to show this is in trend line, so see, not it's a column chart. Just select line. Okay, choose line chart. Okay, click OK. Yeah, it's clear now. And for this chart also we can format according to our canvas background and as our key performance indicator shapes, line color and data labels color. Everything we will format according to the whatever we did earlier. Same formatting. Yes, background color I give as per canvas background color. Okay, for line I give green color, and for chart background also I give canvas background color same. Okay, and actually it is sales trend line. Okay, it's not total sales but a sales trend line. Sorry for the name. Okay, it is sales trend line. Yeah, for axis also you can give black color. Yes, so this is the exact requirement we got. Okay, mm, highlight the data labels in visible colors, then only it will be clearly visible. Now here we can turn off the field list. Why? Because our chart is not visible clearly. Yes. Yes. Oh, our data labels disappeared. Again, we will go to chart. Um, Go to chart. Click on plus icon. Okay, turn off the data. Okay, field list turn off. Go to design. Analyze field list. Okay. Um, yeah, data labels. Again, we will format. Okay. Select rupee and format in millions. 0.00 double comma double quotes millions. Okay, now it's clear. Our chart is ready. This is sales trend line chart. See, our trend line is showing a blue color here. Okay, now to see uh, visuals clearly, we can bring the chart below and drag the until our values appear clearly. Yes, see here, top 0.21 million. That is on date 4, and 0.20 and 0.22 million, 0.21 million. So I think these are this whatever wherever we got high sales, I think these are on weekends. So just to confirm that, we'll go for calendar. See once. This is November data 2023. So just go for 2023 and select November. So on 4 it is Saturday. Okay, see on Saturday So it is sales are high. Sales are high means customers are coming very frequently. Okay, and see here, and 11, 12, 18, 19. Also weekends will check once. See here, 4, 5, 11, 12, 18, 19. Also weekends. So on weekends sales are high. Sales are high means customers are coming very frequently. More number of customers coming on weekends. Why? Because they want to enjoy on weekends. So uh, if you observe that on weekends customers are coming very frequently, so according to these decisions, these very key business decisions, by seeing these key valuable insights, business owners may take valuable business decisions. So if you see trend line, that is weekends and more customers, so maybe they can recruit part-time waiters are there.